Now let's find out what happened today in business and in the stock market. We go to Deborah Kostroun at the New York Stock Exchange. Deborah.
Thanks a lot, Pimm. Well, the S&P higher now 4 days in a row, and it wasn't because of economic reports, because those were pretty disappointing. Instead, the market once again focusing in on Europe. We saw a drop in borrowing costs at debt auctions in Europe. That really helped out the market. Traders say that the low borrowing costs will help in refinancing that is due in the next few months in the Eurozone in general. Pimm.
Now, Deborah, let's talk a little bit more about those economic reports. We've been hearing all about some euphoria about how strong the U.S. economy is, but what are the numbers showing? Retail sales as well as initial jobless claims.
Right. Those weekly jobless claims, pretty disappointing, coming in at 399,000, and we know that all the economists say 400,000 seems to be that magic number that we continue to look at. Now, the jobs market certainly was looking very good, but remember, this week we've heard about lots of job cuts. MetLife cutting 4,300 jobs, ADM cutting 1,000 jobs, Microsoft doing a reorganization saying that will likely result in hundreds of job cuts. So we continue to hear about that. Retail sales rising less than projected in December, confirming forecasts for a slowdown in consumer spending at the start of this year. And what we're hearing is retailers like Williams-Sonoma, also Kohl's and JCPenney, they had to cut their prices so much during the important holiday shopping season. So what we're finding out, all the euphoria around the holiday shopping season might have been a little bit misplaced. And Pimm, if you know anyone that's flying today, they should be expecting delays. You know, that snowstorm over Chicago has canceled 460 flights, and that is really snarling travel all over the country. We're also hearing Delta initiating a $20 round-trip airfare increase, and all the other airlines have followed suit. And then today, other news. Sources telling the Wall Street Journal that Delta and a private equity firm are assessing possible bids for American Airlines parent company AMR. They're hoping that the bankrupt company will present an opportunity to consolidate. That's it from here, Pimm. Back to you.
Thank you very much, Deborah Kostroun, reporting for the New York Stock Exchange.